Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Green Status on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. Green Status on Cash App is a premium benefits program available to eligible users who actively use the app each month. To use Green Status, you first need to qualify for it. This happens automatically when you meet one of the monthly requirements set by Cash App. The first way to qualify is spending $500 or more in qualifying purchases using your Cash App card or Cash App Pay within a month. The second way is receiving at least $300 in qualifying direct deposits into your Cash App account. You only need to meet one of these requirements each month. Once you qualify, Green Status is activated automatically. There is no manual setup required. After activation, you can start using the benefits that come with Green Status. These benefits include free in-network ATM withdrawals, free overdraft coverage up to your approved limit, and higher interest rates on your savings balance. To continue using Green Status benefits, you must meet one of the eligibility requirements every month. If you do not qualify in a given month, the benefits may be removed until you qualify again. So, that's basically how you can use Green Status on Cash App. That's it for this video. Thanks.